In this video, you'll learn how to change the currency in KuCoin. This process is straightforward and allows you to select your preferred currency for trading and transactions. Begin by navigating to the KuCoin website, open your preferred web browser and enter the KuCoin URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface of the cryptocurrency exchange. Next, locate the language and currency settings. On the top right corner of the page, you will find an icon that resembles a globe or a currency symbol. Click on this icon to access the settings menu. After selecting the settings icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you will see options for both language and currency. Click on the option labeled currency to proceed to the next step. Now, you will be presented with a list of available currencies. Scroll through the options to find the currency you wish to use. It is important to choose a currency that aligns with your trading preferences. Once you have identified your desired currency, click on it to select. For example, if you want to change to USD, click on the option labeled USD dollar. This action will update your currency selection immediately. After making your selection, the interface will refresh to confirm the change, ensure that the displayed currency in the top right corner reflects your new choice. This step is crucial as it confirms that your preferences have been successfully updated. If you encounter any issues or wish to change the currency yourself at a later time, a link is available in the description and pinned comment below the video. This will direct you to the appropriate section for further adjustments. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.